This is a tutorial for playing How to Catch a Snowman Auditory Comprehension for BOOM Cards. When you open up the deck, this will be the first card you will see. Clicking on WH Questions with Cues will take you to this card. You'll see the written question as well as an option to hear the question, which is perfect for non-readers. When does something magical happen? There are two options for answers. If the incorrect answer is chosen,
Whoops!
you will hear the sound effect and see a red circle with a line through it. With the correct answer, you will hear a ding and a blue circle will be around the answer. After a correct response, the student will then advance to the next card. Clicking on the house will take you back to the option page. WH Questions without cues takes you to this card. Again, you will see the written question, along with the option for non-readers to hear the question read. After verbalizing the question, the answer can be checked by clicking on the magnifying glass, which takes you to the corresponding card with the cues. The student looks to see if his answer is correct. Clicking on the red arrows will take him back to the previous card. There he can answer his question as correct or incorrect. Again, clicking on the correct answer will proceed to the next card. Yes/no questions, again, have the written question along with the ability to hear the question. At the end of each section, you will see there is an End button. Clicking that will terminate the deck. If you have any questions or any suggestions, please email me at tnslp29@gmail.com.